Yo guys, Ashiriyakal, Namaste and what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well and all you guys having amazing day so far. So I'm back with brand new video regarding WhatsApp Boom, and in this video I will show you one gameplay which I was playing versus full squad of BBMF clan, and I was playing solo. So you will see how I did there. And so first I will show you my spins which I did for the chopper. So as I said in my previous video, chopper is not that good gun, but it's bit early to say like it's really bad, but I will test it out how it will perform. But if you guys have question like should you go for chopper or for new pants, I will suggest you should go for chopper because maybe in future they will buff the chopper, you never know. So that's why I always go for gun, never go for pant. So that's why I just suggesting you guys go for pant, I mean not pant, for chopper. So this is the spin which I did on my first day of the event, and I was quite lucky enough that I got 200 fragments, I think at 350 spin, I don't remember, but you will see on which spin I got 200 fragments of chopper. And after this spin I will show you my spin which I did on second day. So you will see both spins, and after this I will show you the gameplay which I played. As I said, versus I was solo and I played against full squad of BBMF clan. So in that gameplay I tried to play as a normal player. I'm not a god or anything. I mean like I tried not to use any consumable, but I did use one. But I really tried my best not to use any consumable, especially the G launchers or rocket launchers as we say that. And you will see what happened there. So as you guys always, some of you guys say in the comment that you are using consumables and you are like what it's called, spamming. Yeah, spamming with the consumable. So you will see if I don't use any consumable against these guys, what I will get. I mean, will I win or will I lose? You will see in this video. And so let me know after watch this video, let me know your thoughts, should we use consumables in a match or not. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming video on this channel. And I will catch you in the next video. So stay safe guys and enjoy your life.
3, 2, 1.
What am I gonna do?
Perfect aim. Assist. Incredible. Double elimination. Perfect aim. like this. Bang. Assist. Nice. 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 Perfect aim. Bang. Nice.
She said we should hook up the boyfriend